Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along Bob Iacchino. 4-hour Bitcoin chart. Looks like we might get the first cross the rotation zone. Coming up, we had that preliminary resistance, 9162 area. Pulling back a bit, then shooting through it. And hitting, I also had put on the GAN box from this low to this pausing high. And we already had this other level up here, so about 92.38, 92.40, running up there and closing back below the 50. For tomorrow, key area we'll be watching is at 92.40. Above that, we're watching for 92.82, which is also that GAN level lines up really with this resistance shelf. Above that, 93.35, 9400, and 94.65. 94.65 coming in with a flat 200. Do not ignore that. Key support now coming in right about 91.25. We drop below there, 9,083, and below that, then we'd start watching for some support. This little shelf right here with this spike low right about 9,000, 9,010. Those are all your key levels, the upside and downside based off the 4-hour. You can see here on the daily chart, the rotation zone, even though it's starting to separate, we're still in congestion. It just happened to line up with this other area we're watching in the 4-hour, so that just reinforced it more. And this prior swing high, this 91, let me double check what that is. I can't read it off that chart. The prior swing high, 93.35. 93.35. So that's where the top of the rotation zone, so do not ignore that 93.35 spike high on a continued rally. Switching over to Ethereum. Let's go to 4-hour. Again, put the levels on here from this key swing low to this key swing high, giving me 229.50, spiking up just through that, the closing back below the 50 and that level. So 229.50 is the next level we'll be watching, and then 231.12, and then above that I just start watching for a return to about 234.50. To the downside, we have some support right about 226. If we drop below 226, I'd have to drop back to 222.50. Take a look at the daily. That's not really much of a separation on the rotation zone. I just watched, again, that 231.12. That's the real key level I'd focus on a continued rally. So what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.